Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Yes, I am sick if you can tell by my voice, but we got another package in the mail. Ordered this off Mercari. I paid a pretty good price for this, and yeah, let's get this open. I ordered this on let's see, I think either Tuesday or Wednesday, and it's now Saturday, so pretty fast delivery. And there he is. This is the ALLSTARS Luigi. Alright, so there he is. ALLSTARS Luigi. Looks really sick. You can see it's brand new too. So he has his tag right here, and his touch tag, and this little like holder thing. But yeah, he looks really sick. And yeah, I don't really have anything to compare him to except for the baby Luigi. So here's baby Waluigi, and you can see that the purple is quite similar. Skin tone is different. The clothing, this one seems to be a little bit more bluish, while this seems to be obviously a little bit more black. But yeah, it's pretty good plush. I really like this. Pretty good detail as well. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.